If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm happy to introduce you to the Scottie Convertible bag by Kaur threads. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. Now this one I have modified slightly from the original pattern, and it was really just to make it so I just needed a one strap rather than having the backpack strap as well as the shoulder strap. The backpack strap is adjustable and can also be adjusted to shoulder strap length as well as backpack crossbody strength. Let me show you the strap features of this bag and then I will show you all the rest. So what I've done here is I have done an extra long crossbody like so, and I've hooked it into each of the bottom D strings. So you can adjust with the slider on this the height of it to make it just a shoulder bag. This works perfectly as a crossbody bag like this. It's hanging really low because I have that strap really long. And the reason we have the strap extra long is you just pull it like so, kind of even it out. And then I don't wear backpacks very often, so bear with me here. And then if you want to carry your bag on your back, you can. Just like that. You can also, I'm not going to take it off right now because it takes me forever to adjust. You can take them off of this double of these D-rings. You can adjust the crossbody strap with the slider to whatever length you want, and then you could just hook it into these top D-rings, and then it is a shoulder bag or just a crossbody bag. Love how convertible this bag is. So on the back, we have a generous slip pocket. It's generous, perfect for your phone. On the front, we have two separate zip pockets. They are completely separate from each other. It doesn't go all the way across. So this one, it goes all the way. You can kind of see my fingers are right there. So that's about how big this pocket is. And then this pocket, completely separate, goes to about here. So they are pretty decent sized, can't really see it, enclosed pockets, what I just love. We have a recessed zipper. And on the inside, I've gone ahead and I've done my usual slip pocket and a zipper pocket with overlay. I just love this. This is like the perfect Brandy size bag. It's not too big, it's not too small, it's perfect. I love that if you're out and about traveling, you can always wear it on your back as well if you need to free up hands. It's just a very versatile bag. Anyways, if you're one of my clients and you would like to order one of these, you know what to do. All my information is down below in the description. If you're part of the bag makers community, there is a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. And this is also the bag that we are sewing up together on the membership side of the channel for January 2025. Keep in mind that those videos will be pre-recorded throughout the month of January 2025, as we're not doing live classes currently. As you all know, and I'm not going to get into it too much, the things that the challenges we are going through with my husband's health right now. So the classes are still happening, but they are pre-recorded as I can do them. They're not a set schedule, but they will all be released by the end of January for sure. Anyways, until the next one, I'll catch you guys again. Bye.